How do you fade freckles? और गर्मियों के शुरू होते ही this question has become more and more frequent in the comment section. Everyone seems to want to know, how do you fade freckles? How do you get rid of freckles completely? How do you ensure that you can remove freckles permanently, safely at home? तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. I will give you a routine that will help you fade and lighten your freckles. Hello and welcome to Skincare Simplified. मेरा नाम है निपुन, आपकी स्किन केयर बेस्टी, नाउ सर्टिफाइड स्किन केयर कंसल्टेंट. एंड जैसे कि मैंने कहा, आज हम बात करेंगे फ्रेकल्स के बारे में. वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. वी हैव क्रॉस्ड 50,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. बहुत जल्दी हो गया ये, एंड आई एम सुपर ग्रेटफुल, वेरी एक्साइटेड. सो लेट्स कीप दैट गोइंग. अगर आपको स्किन केयर एंड ब्यूटी रिलेटेड कंटेंट पसंद है, आई क्रिएट न्यू वीडियोस 4 times a week, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. So do consider subscribing. Now let's get started with what are freckles and how do you fade them. Now freckles is a clear sign of sun damage. You have not applied your sunscreen or you have not reapplied your sunscreen. आपको हुआ है बहुत सारा सन एक्सपोजर और उसकी वजह से आपको आ गए हैं चेहरे पे ये छोटे डॉट्स. काफी लोग इसे मिस्टेक करते हैं एज अ तिल और अ मोल, बट इट्स नाइदर दैट. दिस इज प्योर साइन ऑफ सन डैमेज. ये मेलास्मा नहीं है, ये हाइपोपिगमेंटेशन नहीं है, दीज आर फ्रेकल्स. अब जो फ्रेकल्स होते हैं हमारे स्किन के पिगमेंट में डीप चले जाते हैं. दे लुक लाइक हाइपोपिगमेंटेशन, बट ये उस तरह से होते नहीं हैं. देयर आर सीरीज ऑफ स्मॉल डॉट्स all over our face. Now if you want to fade, and I figured out कि गर्मियों में ये question ज़्यादा क्यों आ रहा है, और इसका reason ये है that in the summer times, especially if you go out in the sun, your freckles become darker. It is temporary, but कुछ देर के लिए आपके freckles और dark हो जाते हैं. इसलिए गर्मियों के महीनों में this is a problem that bothers all those people who have freckles, because they suddenly feel that their freckles have become darker. Because of that, their face is looking darker, there is no glow, and so on and so forth. So the one thing that you need to remember is that you need to limit your sun exposure. और अगर आप sun में जा भी रहे हैं, then sunscreen is not enough. You need to wear a scarf, wear a hat, wear a visor, wear something, because you need to really physically limit the amount of sun exposure you're getting. Otherwise your freckles will look more dark and you will be a little more disappointed. So now you know what freckles are. How do they get dark? Now let's come to the treatment. Can these be completely removed? The answer is yes and no. अगर freckles एक light stage पे हैं, यानी beginning stage में हैं, you have just started developing freckles, with the treatment I'm giving you today, you will be able to fade them completely. However, अगर आपके freckles सालों से हैं, dark brown pigment के हो गए हैं, and they are large in size, so they are not like tiny dots, they are big dots, तो उसे आप लाइट कर सकते हैं, वो completely fade नहीं होंगे. If freckles have reached a stage of super permanency, अगर वो बहुत ज़्यादा सालों से आपके चेहरे पे हैं, तो फिर उसे लेज़र, केमिकल पील, इस तरह की चीज़ें भी नहीं फेड कर सकती. Well, you can opt for these treatments, वो उसे थोड़ा बहुत लाइट करेंगे. But what I would recommend is that if you have freckles and if you don't like your freckles, because I think they look beautiful, but अगर आपको अपने freckles पसंद नहीं हैं, try out this treatment. अगर इस treatment से आपको फ़ायदा होता है, then to get more benefit, you can try laser, you can try professional chemical peels. लेकिन अगर इस ट्रीटमेंट के बाद भी आपको ज़्यादा फायदा नहीं होता, then you should know that chemical peels and professional laser will also not work on you. So सबसे पहले आ जाते हैं ट्रीटमेंट पे. This video is going to be super short, so let's get into it. In your morning routine, after you cleanse your face, you will need to use 2 products. Number 1, you will use a niacinamide serum, and number 2, उसके ऊपर आप लगाएंगे alpha arbutin serum. ये दोनों ही चीज़ें आप यूज़ करेंगे, आप विटामिन सी नहीं लगाएंगे, because जिन लोगों को freckles होते हैं, mostly उनकी skin sensitive होती है. So you will avoid vitamin C completely. You will use niacinamide 10% and you will use alpha arbutin. इसे आप routine में यूज़ करेंगे 7 days a week for as long as you want. Every few months, you can take a break of about 1 week, 10 days from alpha arbutin and get started again, and there is no problem with it. And आप लगाएंगे अपना sunscreen, आप लगाएंगे अपना moisturizer. If your skin is oily, skip your moisturizer, use your sunscreen. If your skin is dry, then use your moisturizer, then use your sunscreen. And most importantly, if you're going out in the day, अगर आप दिन के टाइम बाहर जाते हैं, you want to limit physical exposure of the sun. So you can wear a hat, आप एक scarf ले सकते हैं, scarf को आगे ले सकते हैं, you can wrap your face with cloth, you can do what you want, but basically आपको ट्राई करना है कि धूप आपके चेहरे पे नहीं पड़े. जितनी ज़्यादा धूप आपके चेहरे पे पड़ेगी, आपके फ्रेकल्स और डार्क होंगे और सन डैमेज होगा. सो यू नीड टू physically protect your skin along with wearing your sunscreen. That is something that you're going to do. And in the PM, and so this is your morning routine. And now moving on to your PM routine, which is very, very simple. 4 to 5 times a week, you're going to use very simply tretinoin. Tretinoin 0.025%. अगर तो आपने ट्रेटिनॉइन आज तक कभी भी यूज नहीं करी है, यू आर सीइंग दिस वीडियो फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम, आप सीधा जाके ट्रेटिनॉल नहीं लगाएंगे. यू विल नॉट गो बाय ट्रेटिनॉल. यू विल गो एंड सी दिस वीडियो व्हिच इज द top 5 beginner friendly retinol creams. You will always start with a retinol based cream. जब वो आपकी स्किन को सूट कर जाती है, after a few months you will move to tretinoin. But 4 to 5 times a week you have to use tretinoin. इसके अलावा I'm not going to suggest any other serum. So I'm not going to say that आप इसके ऊपर इसके साथ आप niacinamide 100% लगा सकते हैं, but I'm not recommending any kojic acid or any melashore gel or melasma की treatment मैं यहाँ बिल्कुल recommend नहीं कर रही हूँ, because you are not looking at ये वाले जो pigments होते हैं, they are so deep into your skin that applying anything on top is not going to really help. Like your glycolic acid, all of those things ये skin के top layer पे काम करते हैं, and these pigments are very, very deep. So applying it is going to be pretty useless. The only thing that is going to work on this problem is tretinoin, which is medical grade, जिसे आप immediately शुरू नहीं कर सकते. जिसे शुरू करने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको retinol यूज करनी है. You need to get your skin used to retinol, and then you're going to move on to tretinoin. So that is what you're going to use 4 to 5 times a week, as often as you can use, as often as your skin can tolerate. You will use tretinoin at night, and then you're going to use your face cream. But there is one more thing that you are going to do in addition to doing this, and that is twice in a month you will use a chemical peel. You can use the AHA/BHA peeling solution by The Ordinary, the Minimalist peeling solution, the Dr. Shade peeling solution. You can use any peeling solution that you want. Twice in a month you're going to use a peeling solution. बाकी टाइम पे आप लगाएंगे tretinoin, and before your peeling solution and after your peeling solution you will take a 2-day break before and 2-day break after starting your retinol. So that is something that you will maintain. This routine is really, really simple. You're not using any kojic acid, any azelaic acid, any melashore gel. मैंने कोई भी ऐसी चीज इसमें नहीं डाली है जो मुझे पता है टॉपिकली काम नहीं करेगी, because जो pigmentation होती है freckles की is very, very different from melasma. आपको लगेगा कि ठीक है, melasma is like a big patch, freckles are small dots, pigmentation same level की होती है, नहीं. And which is why products that work in melasma necessarily freckles पे काम नहीं करेंगे. इसलिए जो freckles का routine है is very, very simple. It is your niacinamide alpha arbutin in the morning. That is what you're going to use. रात को you're going to use your tretinoin. You can layer your niacinamide with your tretinoin. It will give you anti-aging benefits. It will give you whatever else benefits. This is going to be your simple freckles routine. अगर आपको freckles है, I would strongly recommend that you start following this routine. And अगर आपको इस routine से फायदा होता है, and when I say फायदा, remember, if you are seeing even a 20% difference in your freckles, that is moving in the right direction. Then continue with the routine, and साथ ही साथ आप opt कर सकते हैं for laser treatments, for professional chemical peels, वो भी आप करा सकते हैं. And that is pretty much it. You will be able to take your freckles. अगर आपके freckles अभी शुरू हुए हैं, they will completely fade out. I can guarantee you that. But if your freckles have been on your face for years, they will become maybe 40-50% lighter. But उससे ज़्यादा freckles को आप light नहीं कर पाएंगे. Having said that, you have to make sure that you take care of your skin. As long as your skin is healthy, beautiful, and glowing, that is all that matters. And freckles can actually look very cute. Some people flaunt them with all their gusto. Video pasand aayi, do consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions, leave it for me in the comments. I will be active for 1 hour after the video goes live. And yes, I will see you next time. Till then, take great care of yourself. Bye.